Happy Friday, everyone. It is Miss Harmon here with the Feel Good Friday shout out. And this shout out is especially fitting because this special science teacher makes everyone feel good in her presence. She is a positive force. She is a master of her practice, and she is always willing to offer a helping hand, whether it's help teachers with their grade books, join PLCs, offer additional academic support. She's just a very powerful and positive presence. So I want to shout out Miss Godkin because what really took me back when I observed her in the classroom was when she ended her class not by saying, clean up your lab space or have a great day, but by telling the students that she was proud of them. And that is something very powerful. That's something that many students might not ever hear at home or from other teachers. So, Miss Godkin, I love that you tell your students that you're proud of them. And you said it multiple times. So, thank you for creating a safe space. Thank you for just being a positive force on that campus. We really appreciate you. Have a great weekend.